Musical spirits that love to dance in the spheres, fire dancers. So I wanted to thank all those that play beautiful music and present the music that they create and design of their own free spirit as original artists, healing artists, the healing law of communication, music that loves us all, equally sharing pure, eternal, absolute love. Because I love to play music. I love that, I came out of my mother's womb as a drummer, and I remember running 2 bass drums simultaneously with my left foot and my right foot. We all know what a bass drum is, right? And then using both my hands, the left and the right, in synchronized clock fashion, calculating the hot and the cold voltage pressure, and playing multiple instruments at the same time. Yeah. And so thank you to all those that play music that heals us all, and the all creation, the first musician, the first spirit, playing music that's in love with us all, the healing powers of Earth Asala, the inner core, the crystal core, the crystal aquifers, agua, tiwa, the sound of water, the healing sound of water, water memory tables, the permanent table, the permanent directory, the biggest tree directory, like parent directories, branches, branch directories, division directories, sector. I know, Mama. I used to have a lot of fun with this when I was a kid growing up. And they handed me a manual of how it works. It was a mathematical table that I was using every day when I was taking the weather patterns, the sound and light burn patterns of dead light, artificial light, and checking the wet bulb and the dry bulb, and then what's known as the 24-hour fuel moisture content, 120-hour fuel moisture content, and the echo map changes as voltage pressure over time space vectors, wave speed vectors, from cycle to cycle, as breathing cycles, as breathing calculators, as cellular calculators communicating with each other, sound and light burn patterns. And so when I would get those readings, map reading, wind direction, wind speed, the fuel moisture, the weight, the mass of the radio waves, to experience no weight, equal mass, 0 degrees, breathing 0 degrees, no pressure, no sound. Wow. And because energy loves to breathe in perfect rhythm, harmony, and balance with the first breather, the first cell, the first atom, the pure atom seed. I serve the first atom seed forever and always on duty. A lifeguard, the life force, guarding all life. All life is sacred. I'm sacred. You're sacred. We're all sacred. Sacred living spirit, sacred living energies. The energy of I am what love is, and living spirit. The breath of spirit, the first breath of life, the eternal breath of life. So I've always kept it very simple. So yes, Ita Orshaleaya, Zalukaleaya, to all of you that play beautiful music. That's why I love to dance. It's sort of how you know one from the other, because I used to go to a lot of dances when I was a little boy growing up, and especially when I was a young teenager. I used to go to wherever there were dances, wherever music was being played, where a lot of people would gather and dance together in spirit, form, and flow of water, rainbows. So it's beautiful to experience the hydraulic lift capacity. Music that lifts our spirit And when that music, when we feel the radiation of that music, those waves, those radio frequencies, wow, your spirit just, it's lit. You're lit up like an 8-day clock. Wow. And then your body wants to start moving and playing instruments. Yeah. Sound. I'm a musician. Yeah. Tuning, the tuning timing capability, retuning, guitar. Tuning timing. The timing factor is the breathing factor. The mathematical factors, 4 gated whys, joined together as one. Breathing is one. The music of creation, first creation. The eternal life force field, playing music, musical spheres. The spirit in the sun. The spiritual energy. Spirits love to dance and play music, the music that we play. So I'm eternally grateful to you. I just listened to a beautiful flute player playing a flute in Japan. And so thank you for that song. It calms. It has a calming effect, a special effect. It's special to experience the sound of that flute that you're playing. Healing sounds, healing waters, the living water of living colors. Inner crystal rainbows, restoring the crystal rainbow body. 13th star firelight mother art. Air sign is 31. Call 31. I dial 0. Dial the mainframe. The main operator. The first flame operator. The first tech operator. The first network. Golden Fire Network. The Golden Fire Network. Golden Fire. I am mama. Pure liquid gold. Silver and gold mated riche. I am this I am. Mueva ya.